Before you do anything with the vehicle, the first thing you should do is navigate to the exterior driver's side of the vehicle. Use the key to open this panel. Here lies the battery rollout tray and the battery power switch. What you'd want to do is make sure that the switch is in the on position, like so. If you would like to start the process of cooling the refrigerator and heating the water tank before you arrive to your destination, what you would need to do after starting the vehicle is first turn on the power inverter switch, and then once that turns green, you can go over to this panel here, flip the refrigerator switch on to begin cooling the refrigerator, and then flip the tank heat switch on to begin heating the water tank. Once you arrive at your destination and you're ready to begin using the clinic, what you first need to do is turn on the generator. To do this, hold down the prime switch. Hold it down for about 10 to 15 seconds. And then once it's primed, you hit the start key. Once the light is on and you hear the generator running, that's how you know it has turned on. And now after powering the generator, what you then need to do is navigate over here to the power inverter switch and power this on also. And now the mobile clinic has power. From here, what you would most likely do is probably power on the AC unit. Once the generator and the power inverter is on, all you need to do to power on the overhead AC is to push the power button and then push it again. Once you are done using the clinic, to power it down, what you would first do is go to the power inverter here, power this off, then navigate back up to the generator and push the stop key. To control the exterior awning, locate this control panel above the front entrance door. To pull the awning out, all you need to do is tap the out button located on the control panel. To retract the awning back in, all you need to do is tap the in button located on the control panel. The awning also comes equipped with LED lights. Push the button for the lights to activate. To operate the wheelchair lift, what you need to do is first power on the vehicle. Then what you need to do is activate the parking brake. Now that that's activated, what you need to do is go over to the top right, find the lift switch, and make sure that's on. Once those steps are complete, navigate to the rear end of the vehicle here, and then open this door. Here's the wheelchair lift. Now from here, navigate to the bottom left corner and ensure that the switch is in the on position. You know that the wheelchair lift is ready to go when you see that the LED lights on the corner are on. And now from here, all you need to do is grab this remote, then hold down the unload key, the unfold key to unfold the lift. Once it has come to a stop, hold the down key on the switch until the wheelchair lift has made contact with the ground and the front panel springs out. Like so. Now to retract the lift, what you would do is the reverse of the process you just did. So hold the up switch. Once the lift has come to a stop, now you hold the fold switch. Once again, once the lift has come to a stop, you are now complete. There isn't any harm in leaving the lift power switch over here on, so I would normally just leave that on and then close the doors. And that is how you operate the wheelchair lift. To fill up the freshwater tank, first unscrew this lid and then take your freshwater hose and hold this in place here and turn on the water and fill it until it begins to overflow, and that's how you know it's full. So once the water tank has been filled, to operate the bathroom sink, first turn on the sink and go over to the pump switch over here and turn it on. To check the water levels in each of the tanks, just hold down the button of the tank that you want to check. To power on the bathroom vent fan, push this red button here, and then it'll power on. You do the same to power it off. To empty the gray water tank,
pull out the hose. And this end connects onto here. And this end goes in your waste area, and then you pull this lever and the water comes out. When you're done, just push that back in and twist this out. Alright, if you need to jump start your vehicle, open this battery box, pull this yellow lever, and then you can jump it off these nodes right here. And then when you're all set, just push in the yellow lever and slide it back into place. For the shore power cord hookup, you're going to use this end and line up that little metal bar with that one in there. And then just do a little quarter turn to lock it. It's a double locking system. You're going to twist this one all the way on. And then you come down here and you plug this end into your wall mount.